Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Bangladesh. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you will be here on the site Coinbase, and when you're gonna do and register through the link, you will get $10 of Bitcoin for free. Now you add the first name, last name, email, everything, and when you're gonna register, you will be here in Coinbase, and you want to simply click view asset on Bitcoin, buy, I don't know, 100 euro, right? $100, buy Bitcoin. You can buy also different coins here, pay with wallet or normal bank account, and then you can simply preview the buy here. Then you can simply sell it also, and when you're gonna be in home, you can also withdraw the money from your bank account. So this is how you can simply buy Bitcoin in Bangladesh. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.